Friends, welcome back. This is part 3 of our Y lesson. Now we will read our Y book. Do you remember that yo-yo? That's what it looks like when it's attached to your finger. And it goes down and you kind of yank it a little bit and it comes back up. And it goes down and back up. It's called a yo-yo. Yo-yo begins with yeah. The capital Y and the lowercase y look very similar, don't they? The lowercase y is short and hangs way down low, and the uppercase y is tall. It goes from the top line to the base line. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. What color is that? Yellow. Ah, look at those. Those are the eggs. Do you see eggs? How many eggs do you see? Those are called the yolks. 3 yolks. 1, 2, 3. Yolks. That's a funny word. Look at that. That looks like a fox. What is he doing? He's yawning. Yawn. What's that? Yes, yogurt. Yogurt. And we're back to yo-yo. Awesome. All right, friends. For our dictionary lesson page, you are going to need your Y paper, and you will need your pencil and your box of crayons. Let's look at the capital Y. It's a tall letter. Top line to the dotted line, up to the top line, way down low, and it kicks over a little bit. The lowercase y goes dotted line to the base line to the dotted line, way down low. Yeah. All right, let's make that yo-yo. I'm going to use red just like the picture. Now, the yo-yo is a circle shape, so I'm going to make a circle. Start at the top and go around. Go slow so you only have one line. There's my yo-yo. Sometimes yo-yos have decorations on them. So I'm going to make a circle in the center, and then I'm going to make a circle, another circle around that one. So I have 1, 2, 3 circles. Now I need to make the string. I'll go back to that coloring. So I'm going to leave my red out, and I'm going to get a gray for the string. And I'm going to start down here with the string and bring it up and loop it around. That's the part that would go in your finger, and this is the part that would wrap around inside. And I'm going to color my yo-yo to make it more interesting and beautiful and fun. I'm going to make yellow, then blue. It's kind of fun to color in circles. Just make sure you don't go outside your line. And maybe I won't use this color. Maybe I will use green. This is a fun yo-yo. I would love to know if you have ever seen a yo-yo before. All right, yo-yo. Let's spell yo-yo. We have yo-yo. Y-O, y-O. And then there's a dash. It's a funny word. This dash is called a hyphen. Yo, yo. The first syllable is exactly the same as the second syllable. Y, oh, oh, dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, way down low. Oh, yo, yo, yo. That's a cool word. All right, and then we're going to draw some yellow yarn. So get out your yellow and let's draw some yarn. So the way we're going to draw our yarn is more like it's going to be in a ball. When people knit, they form it into a sphere, which is like a ball. And when you draw it, it's like a circle. So do another circle. Make sure that when you draw your circle, you draw one line. Now, we're going to make some lines going this way. Let's draw 3 lines going that way. And then we're going to draw 3 lines coming this way. And then we're going to make 3 lines going this way. They kind of go different ways when all the yarn is wound around itself. And then we can have a little piece like that. Maybe a cat is playing with it. And then I'm just going to color it in lightly with my yellow. All right, and I'm going to spell yarn. We know it's yellow, so we're going to spell the word yarn. Ready? Yarn. Y-R-N. Y-R. Okay, we know that R says R. So we need a vowel in front of the R to make it say R. And that would be A-R. When you have A-R together, it says R. Like if we change that to C right now, it would say car. Or if we changed it to a B, it would say bar. Or if we changed it to a T, it would say tar. A-R says R. And we're not finished with this word. Let's see, our first sound was Y, our second sound was R, and our last sound is yarn. N. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. Yarn. Today, we learned about Y. We drew a yo-yo, labeled the yo-yo with the words, and we drew yarn, yellow yarn, and labeled it with the word yarn. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please make sure your yarn and your yo-yo, your Y page, goes back in your envelope so you can return it to school. And please make sure your pencil goes back in your bag and into your box, and your crayons get closed, and those are put back in your box also. Before we go, I would like to show you a couple words. If we have an A and we put it in the middle, and we put a B in the beginning, and a K at the end, what does that say? Let's sound it out. B, A, K, back. Let's sound this one out. These are nonsense words. They don't make sense. G, A, K, gack, gack. How about if we change A to an I? Now we have G, ick, gick. K, ick, kick. K, Kim. That's a girl's name. Him. I want to go with him to the party. Here's a nonsense word. Nim. Let's change the I to ah. Nom. Rum. Ras. Ross. Toss. Toss. Tuss. There's that quus. We need a different vowel. Let's try a different consonant. Z, z, us, thus. Y, y, us, yes. Y, ud, yud. And the last one is ud, lud. Guess what you just did? You just blended sounds to make words. You are beginning to read. Keep it up, keep working hard, and keep reaching for your goals. Have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.